Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox the brand new Bosch Lawn mower. Let's see what that's worth for money. The machine is packed nicely in a small box, and there are a few things needs to be fixed before we use. It seems like it's pretty easy to fix. So that's the metal handler, I would say, and the other one is, they call it as a catcher. It's a box, the grass catcher, or where your grasses will store once it is cut. Yeah, that's also a same box which we need to fix. What else? Yeah, that's the machine, and you need to hold the machine with the handle. Yeah, like that. Lift it like that and keep it. And two other metal bars. I think that's for the handle, I believe. Let's see how we can fix this. I mean, precisely there are a few things needs to set up, as I said before. So now you pick up the handle and put in that hole, screw it up, tighten a bit. Yeah, that's done. First step is done. The second step is pick up another screw. There's kind of an extension to this handle, and that extension has the switch to operate the lawnmower. So let me tighten up. Do it on the both sides and make sure that it's not loose or too tight enough that you break the handle. Yeah, let me tighten it a bit on the other side as well. Yeah, fix the handle first with the grass catcher or the basket, and then fix it with the bottom piece. It's more of clicking things, so it's not very complex. Let me try with, yeah, I should try with two hands. So now my machine is ready. Now bring the basket and fix it at the back. You lift that, whatever you call it, just keep it on it, and that's it. It fixes. So now it will collect all the grass that it cuts. Yeah. Before you do, you can always adjust the height. So it's between like 20, 40 and 60 millimeter. How many millimeter that you wanted to cut across, you can adjust that, and then you can start the machine. Let me give a try. Let's see how it goes. I think it's beautifully deeply cut across. You see the difference between the full grown grass and that it cuts. It's really good. I mean, it cuts evenly. I really like it. Yeah. To remove the basket, just lift that door, and then the basket will come easily. You see that? The number of, the amount of grass it cuts. So I tried like now 3-4 times, and yeah, I could evenly cut my lawn. So this is the amount of grass that it cuts. So it does the job what I paid for. I'm really happy for it. And if you have any other grass mower in your garden, please put that in your comment. Thanks for watching.